Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Consult. Now we are going to talk about legend text animation, and this is an app that every graphic designer is supposed to have on your smartphone. Now we can use smartphone to design. You don't need desktop or laptop to do it. With your Android phone or smartphone, you can create slide. Assuming you are traveling, as you are in a car or wherever you find yourself, you can use what smartphone. Just by going to Play Store, you download legend text animation. So right now I'm at Play Store. So on the Play Store, you just test or just type legend text animation, and then this is what you are going to get. So I already have typed it and I have it here. So this is the icon. So the icon should look like this. Okay, let me launch it and then see. So because I've already downloaded and installed, so as it is stated here, so I just need to open. Okay, all right, so I just tap open or I launch it. All right, so this is the interface. Okay, this is the interface. Now once it opens, I go here. Okay, you type here, so you tap. So remember, we are going to create slides. Out of slides comes video. So to get video, we get it from the slides. It's just like you are making ads or you are making adverts. Okay, it's the slides that come, you join them together to make video. All right, short videos for adverts. Okay, so we just tap here and then you clean, and then you type what you want. So definitely we are going to talk about how to create slides, with legend text animation. Okay, how to create slides with legend text animation. So when you finish, then you click the correct sign over there. So below, you see the correct sign below it. You just click on it. So when you click on it, you see 4 icons. Now from your left, the first icon represent the camera or represent the video. Okay, so when assuming you want to get the video, okay, which will happen or will be given to you in my next tutorial. Now we have the video. So that one, you just, once you tap there, it will send you to the videos that you have on your smartphone, and of course the video that you want it to appear in your slides. Okay, so that will be the video slide. And then when you come the next from the left, the next one, the next 2 is also the picture for the picture. Okay, and then the play sign is just for the text. As you have typed, you just tap on it and then it will send you to the next section. And then the last one is the delete. Assuming you've written something, you want to delete it, then that is the delete sign. Okay, so now let's tap on this one. Let's tap on this. Okay, let's tap on this one. Okay, good. So tap on the play sign. Tap on the play sign. Good. So once you tap on the play sign, now it is designing it stylishly for you. Good. So now you see it's how to create slides. Now what is the slides? How to create slides with legend text animation. Now you see the style, the movement, the animation. Good. Now come here. When you come down here, just at the button, okay, just at the button here, looking at the way it is moving, it shows you that the animation or the type of animation or the type of movement is under what? Dialing. We call it what? Dialing. So I can move on with all the animation here, type of animation here. You understand? So right now I can tap on lines and you see it is changing. See the lines. This is how it is. So because I tap on lines, look at how it is. Now when I tap on the next thing, okay, the next thing, which is I can jump and then tap on this one. Tap on this one or tap of any of them. Now let me tap on this one. So whichever style or animation you want, once on it is going, and once that square shape in the middle buffering, it tells you that it is preparing to what? Give you the necessary style according to where you tapped. So how to slide? Have you seen a different style animation or stylish animation? Good. So you can, the same way, you can just stroll here and then probably let's take point blank. Tap on point blank and let's see how point blank does. So this is the slide, and normally slide takes 6 seconds. You see the slide? Okay, yeah, slide. So now those are the movement, the animation. Now one will ask, what about the color? So just below the stylish, the movement, just below the movement here, we have the colors below. Have you seen the colors? Okay, so in the same way, you pick any of the color. So I tap on this color. So once I tap on that color, so you see the square in the middle buffers, and then it gives me the background color. So if I tap the blue at the background with the A white, it is going to change to that color. It is interesting and very easy to use, and as a graphic designer, I recommend this for you on your smartphone. As I said, on your smartphone, as you sit in a car or wherever, you can be designing. It's not necessary to just bring your laptop or desktop. Wow, so that is it, how to create slide with just legend text animation. Alright, now the next thing to do is, once you are done, okay, so I will decide that this is what I want. It's cool for me to just display my adverts within 6 seconds. So mind you, you can create this one and then save it and create another one. That is where you join them to become video or short video. But on this video or tutorials, we are focusing on how to create slides. Good. So once I've created my slide, where do I go? You quickly come here. Okay. And then you just tap on the arrow sign. We have save as GIF and save as video. Now tap on save as video. So you tap on it. So now it's going to build your project. So your project is being built. So it's going to build it and tap it, build it as what? Projects. And once it builds it, then it saves it for you onto your gallery or photos or your files. So out of 3 slides, you can create 3 slides, 4 slides or 5 slides. Then we go and then select them to become video. In my subsequent videos or tutorials, I'll be giving you all all these tutorials, or I'll be giving you all this knowledge about how you create your short video when you join the ads or when you join the slides together. Okay, so it's left with few seconds. So now when you look at the top here, you must always look at the top. It's still building your project. Once it's finished, you see just below that, once it's finished, see just below, have you seen it? Project saved as MP4 down here, have you seen it? View, project saved as MP4 on your device, view. So when you tap on the view, you can see it. So that is how you create slides. As I said, you create 4 of it, you join them to become video, and that's what you can use for adverts or ads. Alright, thank you very much, and then make sure you follow my subsequent video, Tech Consult, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.